I found this wood heart at Target. It was $5, which is a little pricey. They're getting a little expensive, but you can find any heart to do this project with. And I'm going to start by painting my heart in Wise Owl white primer and then 1 hour enamel clear, just one coat. The primer works good over time. You just know it's not going to get yellow because of the wood underneath. And today we're going to be working with French labels. This is a new transfer in our shop at chalkitupfancy.com. And it's a panel of 3 different panels of images. I just love them. I love bees. And there was a couple pages of the bees. And I'm going to start by taking out this love and also this little cluster of flowers. I want to say they're roses. And I'm going to start by removing it from its protective coating. I'm going to lay it down in the top corner of my heart. I'm going to take the stick that came with the transfer and I'm just going to start rubbing it all over and making sure I hit every area. And then you're going to feel the top layer of film start to release. I love the black against the white. The love, I'm just going to cut out the word itself and put it in the upper right corner of my heart. And again, using the stick to release the transfer onto my project. Then I'm taking the panel that this image came off of. It's kind of got a slick side to it, and I just rubbed it to make sure that my image adhered well, and I have plenty of labels left over for many other projects. I'm going to take a little portion of my transfer and put it in this box, in this little window here. I got this box at Dollar Tree. You can add any label you want. And then I'm going to take some wood glue, Elmer's wood glue, and a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to glue that box to the bottom portion of my heart. I think this came out really cute. I found this candle at the Dollar Tree. Actually, it's battery operated candle at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it to this Dollar Tree velvet ribbon. It came in black, white, pink, and red. And I'm just going to hot glue it around my candle. And then I found this lace ribbon also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it around the top edge of my ribbon, all the way around. And then I'm going to put this in my little box. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.